Hello, I'm Teacher John and welcome back. I hope you're ready to study English with me. Today, we are going to talk about many topics which are very familiar. Are you ready to start? Okay, let's get started. So, my name is John. What should you say? Cool. So I'm going to ask you questions. I'll give you time to answer. Let's start. What's your name? Good. How are you today? And how old are you? What grade are you in? And which class are you in? Cool. Are you ready to continue? All right. So first, let's talk about your place or where you live. So are you from America, from Korea, from Vietnam, from the Philippines, from Japan, from the United Kingdom? Answer these questions. Let's start. Where do you live? Okay, and where are you from? All right. Let's talk about your abilities or the things that you can do. What can you do? For example, you can say, I can write or I can draw. So, what about you? What can you do? Start answering now. Okay, let's move on. Let's talk about what you can't do. What can't you do? For example, you can say, I can't ride a bike. I can't swim. So, what can't you do? Start answering now. Okay. Are you ready to talk about your favorites or the things that you like? I'm going to give you some time to think of your answer. Okay, let's get started. What's your favorite food? Answer. Next question. What's your favorite drink? Answer. Next question. What's your favorite sport? Answer. What's your favorite color? Answer. And lastly, what's your favorite fruit? Answer. That was awesome. Thank you for talking about your favorites. Now let's talk about your family. Your grandparents, your father or your dad, your mother or your mom, your siblings or your brothers and sisters, and you, or even your pets or your friends or your cousins. My first question is, how many people are there in your family? Answer. Good job. What does your father do? What does your mother do? And what do you want to be? Okay, now let's talk about your school. Are you ready? I hope so. Okay, where do you study? Or what's the name of your school? What subject do you like? Who are your friends at school? And who is your favorite teacher? Great job! Now let's talk about time. Time. So I have here some questions for you. What time do you get up in the morning? That's nice. What time do you go to school? And what time do you go to bed? All right. Next one. Let's talk about entertainment. So movies, films, the cinema. Do you like watching TV? Answer. Do you like watching horror films? Like scary or ghost films? Number 3. What type of film do you like best? Is it action, musical, comedy, romance? What else? So, what type of film do you like best? Sci-fi? Answer now. Do you like going to the cinema? How many hours do you watch TV? And last question, what's your favorite film? And why do you like that film? All right. Thank you so much for answering all the questions. See you next time. Bye bye for now. Have a good day.